Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. So from any screen, you've got navigation here. It's the kind of the nearest button at the top to you, second one down, whatever you want to call it. So if you click once, it's on nav. You click again, the destination menu comes up. Navigate with the iDrive to destination input. And then you've got United Kingdom, place or postcode. So just highlight place or postcode, click on that. Then you've got the thumb wheel, which is pretty good, I've got to be honest. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. Now we've put the first two letters in and we have to go down to the numbers. The numbers are greyed out, which is funny really, but you get down and it says further characters. So you click on further characters and then you've got numbers. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4J. It's defaulted back to letters S, and then we click the centre for OK. It's asking me for a street. I don't want to put a street in, but if you did, it's fair enough. And you just navigate down here to start guidance. Selected route criteria fast. That's it.